Safemoon Price Prediction 2025. Hey there, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about cryptocurrencies. Quickly, before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your research. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. The digital currency is set to stage a comeback against the market's pessimistic side. Safemoon is another kind of cryptocurrency. Safemoon, too, has the potential to be the finest. The most intriguing element is that we will investigate Safemoon price predictions for the years 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. It was developed just a few years ago when a pseudonymous individual invented a cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is a DeFi token that is hoping to surprise its customers by also building an NFT exchange. Numerous factors might pique your interest in Safemoon cryptocurrency and cause you to think deeply about it. However, before reading Safemoon price prediction, it is necessary to understand the project and its future potential. So what exactly is Safemoon? It is now trading on the market under the name Safemoon at a price of 0.000002. However, we're going to begin with a quick Safemoon price prediction for not just 2022, but also the subsequent years, which contains the token's market capitalization as well. The token itself offers a slew of advantages, including a speedier payment procedure. Safemoon's popularity began to grow a few months ago. Safemoon is a cryptocurrency that stands up to central government pressure and is not bound by faulty and regulatory monetary shackles. Safemoon enables anybody to store and transfer value in a non-manipulable currency. Safemoon's origins can be traced back to a few years ago when a pseudonymous individual created a currency similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum that would run on blockchain and ensure maximum accountability and high unstable security as the decentralized finance DeFi token while also being scientific. This was considered highly improbable and caused significant turbulence during the initial phase of price offer. Additionally, according to recent news, Safemoon Coin intends to develop NFT exchanges, charitable endeavors, and crypto educational applications. Experts review on Safemoon cryptocurrency. According to the experts and researchers, Safemoon is gaining greater with forthcoming days, and even after the recent decrease in the cryptocurrency market, the token retains its best throughout the era. Despite all the scenario, there is a large probability that it will achieve a wonderful price level. If it meets the $1 objective, then there are various targets open for it that are going to explore below. Many more investors began expressing interest in Safemoon, particularly after the epidemic. According to experts, the Safemoon price prediction is good for the following years. The price of the token may rise higher and perhaps shatter the all-time high. History of Safemoon. The spectacular. Already in the previous 12 months, the Safemoon price has risen dramatically, reaching an all-time high in April of 0.00001194. Analysts expect the Safemoon price to reach a new all-time high before the year is over, with no signs of obstacles along the way. Another reason for this is Safemoon's involvement in charitable causes, which has a positive effect on the liquidity pool and attracts new investors. The current price of Safemoon has shown positive momentum, gradually increasing up since the beginning to attract more purchasers, according to analyst forecasts. Despite the recent dip in cryptocurrency prices to support levels, analysts are carefully assessing the prospects for the Safemoon cryptocurrency market. Safemoon prediction data reveals that every surge in the price of the cryptocurrency was followed by a fall of 20% to 30%. Contributing to the buy and sell rally of investors. Nostalgia penetrates into patterns. It's a crazy run reminiscent of its monster surge in the previous month when it narrowed in on the 0.000004 US dollar level for Safemoon, the most well-known and most valuable cryptocurrency based on the Safemoon protocol. Those who believe Safemoon is trading down because of the massive rush of stimulus from governments and central banks throughout the world to deal with the coronavirus outbreak, according to CNBC's international projection, are incorrect. A devaluation in fiat currencies they claim makes Safemoon an attractive investment for crypto investors. If all goes as planned, this digital asset will shatter all limits and soar to new heights, reaching the aforementioned pinnacle. Over the next year, if it were to break all the rules, it would be a guaranteed indicator of good fortune for those who invested in it. Safemoon's price might easily reach 0.00001367 by the end of 2021, thanks to its smart contracts. Guys, before we go deeper into price prediction discussion, I would like to remind you that Safemoon is just like any other crypto coin. Therefore, before you make that decision to invest in it, kindly do your extensive research. You can consult other financial advisors for expert opinion. Predictions for the price of the Safemoon token. Safemoon is now planning a strong leap to the next objective, which is set at the all-time high price. Investors have shown an interest in this token. Even still, some analysts believe that Safemoon's peak will occur within the next 6 months. The project's currently under development, with token creators experimenting and preparing different things for Safemoon. Bear in mind that our Safemoon price forecast is only an estimate of the price's potential range. The Safemoon cryptocurrency price prediction for the long term. The developer's ambitions are spectacular. The group is working on an NFT exchange, a video game integration, an educational software, and a platform for charitable giving. Only for the year 2021 do these plans exist. If all goes according to plan, the currency might achieve record-breaking heights in keeping with the project's goal. Predicted Safemoon price. Market mood. The Safemoon price has been on a historic journey, according to technical analysis, which may be the major reason for its appeal. The Safemoon coin is now trading at 0.000001454, with a market capitalization of $850,018,636,063. There are 585,366,402,812 Safemoon tokens in circulation, with a 24-hour trading volume of 3,493,250,074 cents. Experts have made several forecasts, and it's worth looking into whether or not you should purchase or sell Safemoon tokens based on their projections. Expert opinions on the Safemoon price. According to Capital.com, the current direction of the Safemoon price is higher. By the end of 2025, the exchange rate might rise to 0.000000221 from the current 0.0000703. By the end of 2021, Safemoon's price is predicted to be 0.000002. The price may rise to 0.00000026422 in 2022. The Safemoon price might reach a maximum of 0.00000044709 by 2025. Predicted Safemoon price in 2022. According to our own analysis, the cryptocurrency markets will not see any abrupt jolts or hazards in the near future, and Safemoon will continue to be a big draw for investors. If investor confidence continues to grow, the path ahead is full of flowers, leading in a price surge that breaks through all boundaries and reaches 0.0000028. 2023 Safemoon predictions for the price. Safemoon has built a fast, dependable network and focuses on improving the product's usability. To serve as a source of knowledge, the Safemoon protocol is a DeFi token that was developed by the community and launched honestly. Reflection, LP acquisition, and burn are all functions that take place during a transaction. Safemoon's 0.000034 price may rise significantly as a result of these features. It's possible that the coin price estimate for 2023 may witness a paradigm shift if the need for usable crypto persists. Forecast for the Safemoon price in 2024. As far as Safemoon coins go, there are a lot of rumors flying about. There are estimations that its price might reach 0.000043, especially in light of the company's plans for comparable technologies and announcements, as well as the burgeoning fields of advancement. The security and scalability features do the favor. The rest may be taken care of by increased security volatility and interest advertising endeavors, allowing buyers and sellers to reap the benefits. Safemoon's 2025 price forecast. It is predicted that the Safemoon token will trade at an average price of 0.000044 in 2025, and that the currency will grow by 0.000050 by then. The price of the coin is expected to rise over 0.0000039 when other tokens on the exchange follow suit. Safemoon Price 2026. Safemoon is now worth 0.00001,365. Safemoon's price may easily reach 0.0000055 before the end of 2026, according to our detailed technical research. Is it wise to put money into Safemoon? There are both pros and downsides to using the Safemoon digital money. On the other side, the currency's creators put a lot of effort into making it stable. On the other hand, despite the sale commission, which is intended to prevent hodlers from selling their tokens, the price of Safemoon still fluctuates significantly. It's safe to say that Safemoon may be both a rewarding investment and a major loss for investors. Investing in a cryptocurrency of this type necessitates a certain level of expertise, as well as time, attention, and patience. It's possible to make a lot of money with this currency if you do everything perfectly and have a little bit of luck. Investing in this asset class shouldn't consume all your retirement funds. If you guys have enjoyed this video, then please give it a big like and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next video, and until then, thank you so much for watching.